The Better Environmental Company has a sincere vision to create a better, healthier environment with our professional technology and products, such as dissolved air flotation machine, packaged sewage treatment plant, mechanical filters, horizontal decanter centrifuge, waste incinerator, etc. As an environmental protection equipment manufacturer, we specialize in solutions for sewage treatment, solid liquid separation, and waste incineration. Our location is adjacent to Qingdao City, providing us with a good port transportation advantage to service customers abroad more efficiently. Better EPT seeks a better environment for all. With over a decade of development, we have grown into one of the most well-known environmental protection equipment providers north of the Yangtze River. We have established a solid liquid research laboratory, put together a professional engineering and technical team of more than 50 staff, and are firmly dedicated to upgrading and improving both our products and manufacturing process on a consistent basis. Through these ongoing efforts, we've been granted over 20 national invention patents. Better EPT believes in quality and customer satisfaction are of the utmost priority, and so we strictly control the production process to ensure our products possess high quality and our clients are totally satisfied. We are a fully equipped manufacturer with more than 80 sets of machinery, supporting the processing of cutting, sheet metal working, and precision machining. We can assemble more than 50 sets of environmental friendly equipment monthly. Due to our rapid growth, in addition to the current production space of 80,000 square meters, we have started to build our third stage production base to further expand our production capacity. Clients know they can rely on the stable and reliable quality of our products, and this has allowed us to export to Japan, the Netherlands, Russia, and more than 30 countries throughout the Middle East, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, South America, Africa, and other regions, and we have earned a solid reputation from them. There is no best, only better. We are dedicated to make every effort to help create a better global environmental protection. Our dissolved air flotation system is used to remove suspended solids or oils for the pretreatment of wastewater. It may also be applied in separating and concentrating suspended solids, such as sludge, in water. Additionally, it is efficient in the removal of surfactant and foul odors in water. Also, the dissolved oxygen in water is significantly increased due to the aeration. It helps to float and thicken the suspended material, which makes further treatment much more productive. It's a versatile, compact footprint product for primary and secondary treatment applications in food, paper, pharmaceutical, slaughter, textile printing, and dyeing industries. The packaged sewage treatment plant utilizes a biological treatment technology, removes BOD, COD, and NHN in the wastewater. It features easy maintenance, high efficiency, and is convenient. Additionally, it can be buried below the ground since the treated water is up to standard discharge, which can be used as the irrigation water of Upper Greenland. After having been filtered by the media, the effluent turbidity is within 5 milligrams per liter, which is clear and transparent. The mechanical water filter has a good removal effect on suspended solids and the like in industrial sewage. Our plate frame filter press is one variety of intermittent solid-liquid separation equipment. The materials are separated to the solid and liquid after being sent to each filter chamber by the filter media. Since it provides a good separation effect, wide application range, and low investment, it is ideal for the separation of sticky and fine materials. The belt filter press is auxiliary equipment for sewage treatment. It is used for pressing and dewatering of treated suspended solids and sediment into a filter cake to prevent secondary pollution. It features low noise and no vibration, and the filter belt tension and moving speed can be adjusted freely, and the filter belt correction system is configured. Our vacuum belt filter is an efficient unit for solid-liquid separation. It adopts a modular design which is convenient for transportation and installation. It features high filtration and dehydration efficiency with less pass-through resistance for filtrate and processes fast filtration for thin layers. The volute dewatering press is optimal for the dewatering treatment of both high and low concentration sludge in industries such as municipal sewage, food, beverage, chemical, printing and dyeing, pharmaceutical, etc. It is made of high-quality stainless steel and uses low-speed volute pressing technology. This machine features low electricity consumption and will run in fully automatic unmanned mode for 24 hours. This product can be used for solid-liquid separation of various sewages. It effectively controls the phenomenon of blocking material in the drum so that the discharge is smooth. The vortex-type structure is adopted to accelerate the entry of the material into the rotating drum. The large, long-diameter design prolongs the residence time of the material in the rotating drum